Okay, so the previous class, the last class, okay, last class, 上一节 yeah. So we finished the simple, very simple code, okay, and we write a test code in the node the Java, okay, the Java. So now let's run the code and look at the result, okay. So we can click, okay, here, and choice the first one, run node dot main function, okay. So we can get the result, okay. We can get the result, okay. So look, there are IDE is building. So first the Java will be built, and the second will be run class. Okay, so you can hear, okay. So the finally is the hash code, okay, hash code. So yeah, very good. And then in how to speak, 中间 in the middle, okay, in the middle the system out plan, the out plan mean is every hex, okay, is every hex. So because the reason I add the system out plan print line every hex is show you why should we append why should we append the 0, okay, like this. You can hear, okay. There are only one 0, one number 9, yes, but you can find the others is 2 number, do you know? So if we want保持一致 how to speak 一样的 let the 9 yeah let the number 9 number same to the others. We must put add a 0, yeah, before the number 9. Okay, you know, yeah, yeah. This is why we added the if, okay. No single. Yeah. So yeah, it may be. You know? Yeah, very good. If they not, we don't append. Yeah. We just append. It maybe is. Yeah. If is true. Do you know? Yes. Do you know? Yes. Okay. So now we already understand. Yes. So we can delete the test system out print line, code line. Do you know? So we just comment it. Okay. Do you know? Yeah. Is comment? Yeah, comment is okay. Yeah. Yes. So we can run again. Okay. We can run again. Yeah. We can run again. Okay. Right key. You just like this. Right key. And choice run node main function. And then wait. So yeah, you can find the result D682. Okay, everyone is nothing. Do you know? You can find everyone's the result. The result everyone is nothing. Do you know? Because why? That is the hash of on the reserve. Do you know? Yes. Yes. This is hash. Okay. So, who can tell me? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? How many bytes? How many bytes? Yeah, the hash code result. How many bytes? How many bytes? Who can tell me? How many bytes? How many bytes? No. Very good. Then you said 64 is the hash code length. Do you know? Do you know? So you can get the length. You can get the length. So according as well as so block dot get hash dot. Do you know? Do you know length? Yes, 64. Just the hash length. Okay. So what wrong? You understand? Yeah. You understand? Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. But when we start the byte, it will be covered. Okay? Because one hex means okay. So how to speak? 字节 and 16位 hex and hex to byte 关系 relationship the convert relationship. Do you know? Do you understand me? Yeah. Why? Hey, length. The hash code length is 64. Yeah. Why is 64? Hash code. The hash code length is 64. Yeah. Yeah. No, 64 length. 64 is length. Yeah. 64 is length. Yeah. Very good. Okay. So, but I want to. Why you tell me the bytes, the hash code bytes is 34. 32. Because how to convert, how to get divide by 2. How to get the result 32. Length by 2 divided by. What do you get? What do you how to get the result? Okay, length divided by 2. Why do this? Why? Because 2 is equals to 1 byte. Yeah, very good. Okay. Yeah, this is on my knee. Okay. Do you know? There's 32 bytes. Yeah. Length is 64. Yeah, this is right. Yeah. Everyone's without no second. You know. This is like this we said the unique ID. You know, every mouse has one unique ID. Yeah, different ID. Okay? Yeah, everyone. Because we use calculate the blocks hashing and the time stack is not safe. So do you know? So you get the hash code is no safe. Do you know? Everyone's hash code is no safe. Do you know? This is right. Yeah, very good. So can you understand me? Yes. Yeah, yes. Can you understand me? This is my me. Okay. Okay. Stop. Very good. Okay, so you can look at the length hash the length 64 is hash code length. Okay. Yes. Yes. And then the next we can we should the next we should check about the perimeter. So you can here you can look here. Yeah, the two perimeter we put empty. Do you know? Yes, but in actually decentralized system like Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, it's not empty. Yeah, what should we put? What should we put? What we should put? Hash. Okay, so I told you the first block named Dennis block, you know. Dennis Genesis block, you know. Yeah. Okay. So the Genesis block previous should be what? Genesis block previous hash generate should be what? No. Do you know? No. Because the Genesis block is the first zero. Yeah. It is the head. It's head. You know? It's EAD. It's head on the blockchain. You know? So we should put the previous hash of Genesis block special value. Do you know? Special value. Do you know? The special value is 0, 0, 0. Yes. 4, 0. No. Previous value is previous value is how many? How many numbers? 64. Yeah, very good. Do you know? This is why I asked you how many bytes and how many lengths. Do you know? So we should put 64 zeros as the Genesis blocks previous hash. Do you know? Yeah, this is the first parameter should be assigned 64 zeros. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we can define const. Do you know const? CONST. Do you know const? Yeah. Const. Okay. So we should define a private static. Okay. Final. Do you know final? Yeah. Do you know final? Yeah. Static. Okay. Static. Fin final and string. Okay. The type is string. Okay. String. And the name variable name is all upper. Or upper. Do you know upper? Yeah. Okay. So GENESIS. Do you know? Genesis. Okay. Underline. Previous. PREVOUS. Has. Do you know? Okay. Can you understand me? Yes. Can you understand me? This is a constant. Okay. Genesis previous hash is a constant because I explain you this is a special value. Okay, let me assign. Okay. So 64, 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we copy it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And copy. Do you know? Do you know? Okay. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And copy 8. Copy 7. 7. 七次 how to speak 7次7次 7 copy 7 7 times do you know copy 7 times 7次 how to speak 次 yeah how to speak 7次2次怎么说半次3次4次说汉 yeah 7次用7 times okay do you know you should copy screen 就是这个yeah oh static because this is static man you know yeah Let's go on. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Okay. Okay. So. So. And then this is the special value. Okay. Okay. Yeah. When we find the special value, we can get the closure. The blockchain is we get the head of blockchain. Do you know? Do you know? Yeah. Yes. Yes. And then so we can put the GNESIS. Do you know? We can put the constant to the first parameter. Okay. Yeah. And the third and the second parameter is you can write yourself word by yourself. Do you know? For example, we can write one word, hello world, yeah, or other, or yourself. Okay. Okay. So hello world. Okay. So the first block like this. Okay. And others is okay. Do you know? Yeah. Yourself. Yes. So yeah, now we can write. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there's okay, and the product. Okay. So the next step we define the second block. We define the second block. If we want to define the second block, we must create the second block based on the first block. Do you know? Because I told you the blockchain is one block linked the next block, linked the next block, linked the next block. Do you know? Yes. So we want. So I said if we want to create the new block, we must have we must know the last block. Do you know? Do you know? Yeah. So you can replace this. Replace it. Okay. So replace it. Generates reverse. Yeah. Very good. Okay. So yeah. Generate. So because the item is start. Do you know? This one. This one. So you can delete it. Yeah. Because this one this line is hash code. Do you know? Yeah, just hash code. Yeah. So yeah, very good. Yeah. Very good. Comment is okay. You know? Yeah, you can comment it or delete it is okay. Yeah, comment it is okay. Very good. Yeah. Why not? Yes, let's go on. Okay. So, and I just told you, if we want to create the next block, we must know the last block. This is very important. Okay. Yeah. So now we create the second block. Okay. We define another variable second. Okay. So the variable's type is block. Okay. block block. And the variable named second. Do you know? second. Do you know? Second block. And then we can new. Yeah, we can involve new a block variable. Do you know? New block. Okay. And then so now you can hear. You can look here. You look here. Look here. There are here arrow. We should put two parameters. Do you know? Two parameters. Do you know? Yes. Okay. So my question. What can I put parameter? What need we do? What should we do? What should we do? Put what should we do? Put the two parameter, two size two parameter. Very good, very good. Okay, so we should the first parameter is previous previous do you know? Yeah. And the second parameter is block data. Yeah. So the first previous the second block. If we want to create the second block, we must know the first block. So the first block is the block. Okay. Yes. So the second block's previous hash is the block's hash. Do you know? Do you know? Yes. So we can we can get the block. Okay. Block dot get which one? Which one? Yeah, very good, very good. Hash, yeah, hash. Do you know? And then the second parameter, we can do self. Do you know? We can do self. Okay, so the second block. Okay, like this. Okay, can you write follow me? Okay, so if you follow me, okay, so we write a system out the plan line. Yes, and then the second block has and second block there. Get has yes. Do you know? Okay. Okay. So now we can run the code. Okay, and look at the result. Oh, run it. Okay. So you can. The second block hash is this, And the first, we also write the comment. Okay, the first block. Okay, so can you understand? Yes, yes. And then if we want to create the third block, I can continue like this. Okay. If I wanted to create the third block or the fourth block, I can write data. I can write code like this. Okay. Yes. So let's think. Let's think. Now we think a question. Let us think a question. If we have several blocks, there are many, we have we create some blocks. You know, blocks. We should how to save the blocks. We can use DB. Yeah, very good. DB. Fail. Yeah. Nice. Cloud server. Okay. And memory. Yeah. For example, Redis. Do you know Redis? I know, but I never use. Oh, never use. So MySQL is a relationship database. Yes. Redis is an unrelationship. Yeah, right? Unrelationship database. Do you know? Key value. Do you know key value database? Redis is a key value database. Do you know? Like map. Yeah. Do you know? MySQL is a Redis relationship database. Like people. Yeah. MySQL saves data. Use people. Yes. But Redis save data. You key like key value like map. Okay. The key is unique. A unique key. A unique. Very good. It's right. Okay. No. You don't right. So this is提示 remind you. Give you how to 提示，我提示你，提示 remind 提示 remind 提示 提示 R 那个提示 yeah like if I talk to you I'm nervous so I can say I can write some keyword. Okay, when I forget, I can so remind me. Okay, you know. So it's me. Understand? Okay. Right. I understand right. Yes. Okay. Do you know? Remind. Yeah. Okay, so now we can create the third block. Okay, and when when we create three blocks, we should be find a container to save our blocks. Do you know container? We should find a container, container, containers, to save our blocks. Do you know? Yeah. So the third 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 block, new block, and then like the last block, we should get the second block dot get hash. Do you know? Yeah, and the second parameter we input third block. Okay? Yeah. S1 STM system their out print line system out print line. Add the comment the third block hash append THRD third block dot get hash is okay. It's okay. Do you know? Yeah. Okay. So now we can write the code again. We can write the code again. Okay. Run. Okay, so you can get the result. Okay. Do you know? Yes. So yeah. Now let's like we just said we 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 should found a container to save our this blocks. You know. Yes. In here. In here. In here. Now we just define array, not array, or list. Do you know this? Array is or Yeah, very good. Very good. The length of array is immutable. Yeah. Array is so in your code. So you can just you should fix the error first. You know. So yeah, you look here, the error. Okay. Okay. Why? Why? Why there are error? So if you check, you can the how to speak simple as one as you want. Separate. So it's yellow. Okay. Yeah. So you have this is yellow. Okay. So this and this is a pair. Is a pair. Do you know? Yeah. But you can. This is also is. But do you know? You missed. Very good. Very good. Do you know? Yeah. So yeah, very good. Do you know? Okay. So yeah. You missed the one. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so now we will find a list. Do you know list? Do you know list? List is a set. Okay, list is a set. Okay, so we define a list. We define a list. Okay, so follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, now private. Okay, private. We define a static we define a static list variable. Do you know list? Yeah, list. Okay. So and then we should use. Do you know 范型? 范型. Okay, like this. Do you know? Yeah. How to speak this? Okay. So block list. Okay. And array list. Do you know array list? Yeah. Like array list, linked list. Do you know? And vectory. Do you know vectory? V into R. Do you know? Yeah, very good. So there's also block. Yeah, and then don't miss the last how to speak the last how to speak this semicolon. Okay, don't miss the last semicolon. Do you know? Yeah, and then there are red. The list is red because you don't import. So you should import the list class. Do you know? Yeah, and so like this. Okay. So like this. Import java.util.list. Okay. So like this. Okay. Oh, I should wait. Sorry. So 范型 how to speak 范型? Element type. Oh, very good. 范型 element. Yeah. 中文 Chinese. 范型. Yeah, very good. 范型. 型 do you know 型号 model 型号 Yeah. Your clothes T-shirt. The T-shirt is XXL. Oh, maybe my T-shirt is XXL. Or part. Okay, okay. Different type, you know. This is different type. Like 型号. Yeah, very good. Can you write? Can you write Chinese? Chinese. You know. Oh, okay. So P. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Very good. Do you know? Yeah. Yeah. Call. Yeah. 型号. Okay. So the element type is 泛型. Do you know 泛? 泛. Yeah. 泛. Yeah. 型. 泛型. Yeah. 型 is 型号. Yeah. 泛. 广泛. Yeah. 型泛. Okay. Element type. 泛型. Okay. So. Good. So you should import the list class, okay? So the list is GDP. Do you know? Yeah, very good. Yeah, import. So the first one is okay. Yeah. So and this also you should, yeah, you should import. Yeah. Error, press enter and enter. Enter. Yeah. Import. Yeah. So, okay, you know. And in your code, there are two errors. Okay. So, and this code is artful. Do you know? So you should type in artful, you know? Yes. Okay. Have you follow me? Okay. So now we have the container list is a container in Java. Okay. The container of list can save data. Can save some data. What you want. You want to save. Can save data. What you want. Do you know? So in here, we use list to save the block data. Do you know? Is the element type. Okay. Yeah. Or restore the program. You stop. Yeah.
Then it will not be in memory.
I understand. I know. I say. I just told. This is a container. Do you know?
Yeah.
Do you know? So the afternoon or tomorrow, I will lead you change the container to another way.
Permanent.
For example, okay. Do you know? Yeah. I can put the list data to the list field. Do you know? Okay. Or like you So now we already define the block list as a container. So we should add three code line. Three code line is block list dot add. Do you know? Add no. Add. Okay. Add the block. Yes. Okay. Yes. And then we can also in this line block list dot add the second block. Okay. Do you know second block? Yes. Okay. Then and we can also write here block list dot add the third block. Do you know? Yes. So you can say. Now we have the block list container. Yeah. And then if we want to get the block information, we can get the every block from the list. Do you know? Yes. Do you know? Yeah. Now, if we want to get any information about a block, we can get every block from get list. Do you know? Yes. So that now we comment this code. Comment because it's unuseful. It's just a test. Do you know? Yeah. So this also commit. This line also commit. So the code like this. Okay. Do you know? Yes. So now how can I get every block's information? Now I can now I can define a function, another function. Do you know? The new function is be used. The new function be used is used to how to speak 便利 iterator. You know? Yeah, very good. Yeah, iterator. Oh, smart. Do you know? Yeah, iterator is correct. Yeah. So now we will define a new function in the new foundation. We will iterate the list. You know, and get every block. Okay. If we want to print line any information, we can do what we want. Do you know? Yeah. Block. So, okay, you should move this line to the foundation, you know, into the foundation, because our code only writing the foundation. Do you know? So you should how to fix. No. include and this block, this block. Yeah. Do you know? Do you understand me? Yeah. Very good. Do you know? L is L is upper, but lower, but L is upper. Do you know? Do you know? Do you understand me? Yeah, very good. Yes. Do you know? Okay. So now, as we said, we should define a new foundation. Do you know? Yeah. Public, void. Okay, void. Okay. So how to speak iterator? Iterator. Yeah. Oh, very good. Okay. Okay. Are you right? Iterate block. Do you know? Do you know iterate block? Yeah. Okay. So, do you know? Okay. So, okay, now in this foundation, we will write we will iterate the block list. Okay. According how to speak, how to iterate the block list according for each. Yeah, for each. Very good. For each. Okay. Can you understand? This is for each. Okay. Can you understand the for each? So now we can okay. Do you know printf? Do you know printf? Printf is a format. Do you know format? Format foundation. Do you know format foundation? Format foundation. Okay. So like this. Okay. How? This is so there is no I. You will find there is no one. So we must be changed the for each to I from 0 and I from 0 to block list their size and I increment. Okay. So and then in the printf, okay, we can use the I. Do you know? Yeah. And then Ahashi is the third parameter, and so block list. So every block, then block list got I. Do you know? And then okay. Can you understand me? Yes. and then in the end, we should do a how to speak like this.
New line. This is backslash n.
Yeah, master end. Yeah.
Backslash n.
Oh.
It generates a new line.
Yeah, very good. New line, okay. It means we will next line.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know? Yes. And then if you want to get the block data, yeah, you can also write a system out then print f again, okay? Yeah, as well as. So every block dot get data, and in order to the same format, okay, in order to we have a same format, so we change the first printf. Every block there gets has. Okay, so like this. This is the iterator block has block. Can you understand me?
But we need to call it a different block. We need to invoke.
Invoke. Yeah. We will invoke the iterator block in main conditional, but because it is not static, so you should change the iterator block to static. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yes. So you can. Oh, something. Yeah. No. Yeah. The first one. Yeah, it's not okay. Yeah. So. You know. Yeah. The format is okay. It is so clear. Yeah. You know. Yeah. Okay. You know. Yeah. So when you finish, we will So now, if you finish, we will find the intermediate block has finished, and now we want to test the intermediate block. You know, so we can involve the intermediate block in main foundation. Okay, yeah. So now, like this, we just in this line involve the iterator block is okay. Okay, so iterator. Why? No iterate, no remind me. Why no remind me? Why? This is you can say the main foundation is static. Do you know? Do you know static? Yeah. But the iterator block foundation is not static. So if we wanted to invoke the iterator block in main condition directly, we must change the iterator block to static also. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So static. You should. Okay? And when you change the iterator block to static, you can invoke the iterator block in main foundation again. Okay? Like this. Okay. So the IDE automatically remind me. Okay? Remind me. Oh, the IDE remind me. Yes. Automatically. Do you know? You just press enter. So like this. Okay. Now, so we can run the code. We can run the code, test the code. We can test the code again. Okay, so like this. If you followed me, you should look at this. Okay, this is the first block. Block Tashi, block data. This is the one data. This is oh, sorry. This is the first data. The first data's number is 0. Yeah. This is the second data. The second data's number is 1. Okay. This is the third data. This is the third block. The third block's number is 2. Do you know? Yeah. And then the block has the block data. So, yeah. Okay. So, because you involved the same foundation, you know. This is data, so you should invoke every block dot get data. Get G. Do you know data? Because this is data. So do you know? Okay, now yeah. You can run data again. Do you know? Yeah. So. Okay. Now we will continue define another foundation. So let me ask a question. Let me ask a question. So how can I insert? How can I check? How can what should we do? What should we do to check block is correct. What should we do? The check is the block. The block is to check the block data or the block's hash, the block's reverse hash is correct. When we start or save data, we must check first. Only the data passed our check. We can store or save the data to the list or to file or to lexicon or to database or to cloud server. Do you understand me? Yes. So the check is very necessary, very important, very important. Yeah.
CRC.
CRC. How what's CRC? CRC. What means CRC? CRC.
No, CR.
C.
Yes.
What means R? Yeah. Yeah.
Do this.
Yeah. No. This this is a thing.
I think.
Yeah. This is a 思路好思路。Yeah.
This shoe.
No. Thinking. This is thinking. Circle is a thinking. But in here, because the data we store is block. So the important check should be the hash and the previous hash. Do you know? So yeah, when we start the block, when a new block create and should be need to save, we should check the new block's hash. Sorry. The new block's previous hash failed value, and the last block's hash is same. If not same, we will return false, or we will return error. Only past the check, we can put the new block to the list. Yeah, very good. Okay, so we should define a new foundation. Yeah, to check the block, this block, and the last block. Yeah, this block, previous hash failed, and the last block is hash. Let me code. Let show you code. Let me show you code. Do you know? Yeah. Let me show you code. Okay. So do you have heard OOP? Yeah. So when we check the previous hash and hash, this is a foundation included by block, because block is an object. Do you know? Yeah. So OOP. This is OOP. Yeah. So we should go on block. Go block. Okay. Open the block. Open block Java. Okay. So 1 minute. We define. Okay. So public. The result of check is only two values, true or false. So the result check foundation result should be Boolean. B-O-O-L-E-A-N. Not Boolean. B-O-O-L-E-A-N. Boolean. Yeah. Because the check result is only two values, false or true. Yeah. So public Boolean. B-O-O-L-E-A-N. Do you know? Boolean. Okay. So Boolean is block valid. Do you know valid? V-A-L-D. So valid is 就是 to check. Yeah. Is block valid is to check the block should be put. Okay. Yeah. Can you understand me? Yes. Yes. Because to check is two blocks to compare two blocks. So we should define a parameter. I compare with you and me. Compare A and B. Compare anyone. So the foundation has one parameter. The parameter's type is block. Do you know? Yeah. So B-L-O-C-K. Okay. Can you understand me? Yes. So default the foundation should be return false. Yes. Okay. So can you understand? Default is return false. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is our class. This morning our class is over. Okay. Okay. So this afternoon we go on. We will go on. Okay. So okay, that's over. Okay. So